Today I'm going to show you how to build a bot of the last of the 5 good emperors, Marcus Aurelius, and how it actually works. Using this AI program, we can fill it with all his greatest wisdom laid out in the meditations. If you haven't read the book, I definitely recommend it for the timeless advice on the principles of life. But today we'll use Ingest AI to synthesize that information into a Discord bot so that we can have our new counselor. You can also use WhatsApp and Telegram to create this bot, but I can do that for another day. After registering, you'll want to have a document compatible with Ingest AI. You have a PDF copy of the meditations we'll use for this. You then go to the vector panel on the left and select a new bot. Type in a name and drop your document in. This creativity slider is for showing how much you want it to resemble the text and only operate within what's inputted. We'll select mostly and then click done. Go into Discord and create a new application, reset the token on the bot and save this code somewhere. Then head over to a URL generator and select bot and administrator. Then copy the bottom URL and paste it in your search bar. Now you can add it to whatever server you want. Now go back to Ingest AI in the Discord panel on the left. We're going to finish this bot and we'll give it the knowledge it needs to help us. Input a name and paste the token code from earlier in here. Next, select applicable library, and now we're done. We now have an AI who understands the principles of Stoicism, but let's check, starting with a beginner question. Can you give me the key takeaways from the meditations? Okay, that's pretty good, but now let's get philosophical. How would you approach a difficult decision where the outcome would personally benefit you, but it would be unethical or harm others? That's actually a really good answer and focuses on core concepts of the book. If someone were to insult or offend you, how would you respond in accordance with your Stoic principles? Okay, still a very good answer, and it does talk a lot about how, in terms of the meditations, he would respond. What would you consider to be the ultimate goal or purpose of life based on your philosophical teachings? This answer is very congruent with the book and does offer a lot of insight into Marcus Aurelius' belief system and striving for better values. After this, I did start asking more questions outside of the book's understanding, and it wasn't as effective due to how we set the creativity. Overall, it's very effective in taking large amounts of data and inputting it into a format where you can easily get information from it. This could be used to create a duplicate of yourself that can help your team and answer like you, or get questions answered quickly when going through multiple large textbooks. There's so many opportunities to build bots for people. Although if the first bot is free, you'll have to spend $80 to have multiple running at the same time. Thank you for watching.